Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable planner assignment schedules with Microsoft To Do step by step clearly. Open Microsoft To Do on your device. Log in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Make sure you have access to Microsoft Planner. Navigate to the left sidebar and find the Assign to Me section. Click on the Planner's icon at the bottom of the sidebar. Select the planner you want to enable assignment schedules for. In the Planner view, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Plan Settings from the drop-down menu. Find the option labeled Enable Assignment Schedules. Toggle the switch to enable the feature. Once enabled, return to Microsoft To Do. In the To-Do list, select Tasks in the left sidebar. You should now see assignments from Planner appear in your tasks. Verify the due dates and organize your tasks as needed. Use the filtering options to prioritize your tasks effectively. Set reminders on specific tasks for better time management. Make sure to check your tasks regularly for updates. Conclude by reviewing your planner assignments in Microsoft To Do periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.